It's Mr. Voice. So this is my new chlorate cell setup. Now this is not your typical amateur chlorate cell, because you see the type of salt they used in this thing is really crappy salt. It's horribly bitter and it's the cheapest salt you can get, but that's good because it contains something special known as calcium chloride. Now calcium chloride does two things. It builds up on the diaphragm, which it builds up on the cathode, which creates some sort of a diaphragm. It looks like this horrible white thing, which I'll show you later, but that's good for us. Now another thing it also does is it keeps the pH really low. Okay, this is where the fumes come out. This horrible smell of, okay, now the pH of this cell is around 4.9. If I go down, it would change. It's staying as 4.9. It's not changing. So that's good for us. So now the amount of current going through this cell, I will just show you the voltage drop across the shunt I made. This will not show you the current directly, but I use this to measure the current. I get around that much, which if I put that into my calibrated thing where I put in a known resistance and not run the cell, I actually get a current of 25 amps. Now I can also measure the voltage drop across the cell, which is 4.77, and the voltage of the supply, which is, I have to get my probes right, 5.1. And overall the temperature, wait, I'll be right back. Whoosh. Oh, I forgot this. So anyway, oh my god, the smell. The temperature of this cell, I wish I had I don't want to waste the respirator. It's around, I'm waiting for it to become steady because of this plastic wrap. It's around 55, but it may have dropped or risen. Right now it's 53. And the reason why I'm keeping the temperature low due to water inside this green bucket, which is preventing this cell from overheating. Without the water, the temperature goes all the way up to 68, and I don't really like running too hot. Usually I keep the temperature around 55 to 60, not 55, 50 to 60. 55 would be the ideal. And now I'm going to show you the cathode of the cell. It's going to require me to open the whole thing. As you can see, that cathode is looking very white. And that white is very important. That's the calcium hydroxide building up. Calcium hydroxide is very important for this cell. With calcium hydroxide, it essentially allows us to it essentially prevents chlorate reduction even further. And with that, the video is over.